summer? Let me make you cool down. Bingsu ice flake. What you need is milk, water, and yeonyu, condensed milk. We needed a little water to make the milk melt slowly while we eat. I got condensed milk for sweetness. It is easy finding condensed milk in Korea, but how to find it in New York? I asked many stores and finally found it. Ghee and sticky sugar. Bingsu, which is called iced flake in Western, is a summer dessert to Korean. There is a Bingsu cafe in Korea only sell Bingsu. That much common dessert. Milk, water, and sugar all mix well. Put in the bag. And freeze. It's all done. Actually, it breaks easily. This milk iced flake is so sweet and silky. Once you bite, it blows your heart. Traditionally, Korean is bingsu with red beans, but it's optional. Fruit is good too. Especially mango is popular in Korea these days. Stay cool.